In today's video, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall third-party app access on your Android device. This is important for maintaining your privacy and security, so let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's briefly discuss what third-party apps are. These are apps that are not developed by the manufacturer of your device and may request access to your personal data. It's essential to manage these permissions to keep your information safe. Let's look at how to uninstall any unwanted third-party apps. Go to your device's settings, scroll down on and tap on apps or application divide depending on your device's model. Scroll through the list to find the app you want to uninstall. Tap on it, tap uninstall and confirm your choice. This will remove the app from your device. Now let's revoke access for apps that you want to keep but don't want them accessing your data. Go back to settings, find privacy or permission manager in your settings. Choose the type of permission you want to manage, such as location, camera, or contacts. Here you'll see which apps have access to that permission. Tap on the app you want to modify. Select deny or toggle off the permission to revoke access. Lastly, manage third-party app access to your Google account. Go to your device's settings app again, scroll down and find Google. Tap on manage your Google account. Switch to the security tab at the top, scroll down to find third-party apps with account access and tap on it. Here you will see a list of apps that have access to your Google account. Tap on the app you want to remove. Tap remove access and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to uninstall third-party apps and revoke their access on your Android device. Keeping your data secure is crucial, so make sure to regularly review your app permissions.